Dale.
What's going on, guys? Your boy Grim here. Welcome to Grim Reviews. And we're here one more time with his airness once again, Mr. Michael Jordan.
What?
What? The reverse lightning. This is a fire right here, bro. Look at these. Even brings a fucking bag, bro. Look. For each sneaker, a pouch.
That's a very nice
velvet pouch. Velvet pouch. SoleFly.
Pouch. But this belong in your bathtub. Like hanging with the soaps, with the fragrances. Yeah, you feel me? Only right, you put a little baby in this. You gotta push P to this.
I'm not really a 17 fan.
But that's a masterpiece.
These are dope though. These are fire though. I ain't gonna hold you. These are fire.
Those are fire, bro.
Hard plastic right here in the bottom.
So there's like a Jordan Iverson collab.
You can say that. These are interesting though.
Bro, the bottom, hold up, go. Let me see the bottom. Oof.
See that shit?
Nah, I gotta, hold up, wait, don't move them. I gotta show these people what. That bottom is different.
Bro, that shit's fire.
Different shit, bro.
Hard plastic here. And the other side.
Going hard. Let me see that metal. Nice. I like it.
And it gets to in here. I don't know if you can see, but it's a little tight.
Oh, nah, the inside is hard. Well, that's just a Sean John.
Nah, SoleFly.
SoleFly?
Yeah.
Yo, I like it. Look, remember you like comfort and hugging the block with your fucking feet?
This is a dope.
Look, that shit hug the block.
The color not for me though.
What?
Nah.
How much they go for?
600?
600? So you wouldn't spend it 600 yellow?
I mean, yeah, maybe, yeah, I'll spend it yellow for like the Pirates, maybe.
Yeah, you think I cut your ass with those on? Cause it's mad yellow on it?
I mean, it gotta make sense. You know what I'm saying? It gotta make sense.
What would you wear those with? What kind of fit?
I don't know, maybe some pirate jersey, maybe.
Okay. Kind of jeans? What color?
Regular jeans, nigga.
Huh?
Regular jeans.
What color, nigga?
What you mean what color? Blue, nigga. like navy blue, like regular jeans, not navy blue, like light blue. You know what I'm saying? Some black jeans, or some black jeans or something.
Yeah, black jeans. You wear navy blue jeans with those? What are you doing?
some black jeans.
The colors don't choose you. What are you talking about?
These are dope.
Because of the color, man.
These are alright. These are okay.
Those are fire.
These are dope.
Look at the bottom. Look, they're so exclusive, bro.
Yeah.
Look at them. They hard. Oh yeah. Look. Leather.
These will be a yay for me.
Leather on everything.
Yeah,
bro.
facts. These will be a yay for me, but you know, I'm still undecided, but
a little undecided.
I'll still say a yay. 600, yay for me, Grandma.
There you go, Grandma.